You're making spinach and carrots?
Spinach for you. For you, Mommy.
For me? Oh, thank you.
For you. That's for you. Little milk, and that's for milk, and syrup, and syrup.
You're putting syrup in my carrots?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Syrup and carrots. Here. Like this. Here, my love. Look. Piggy pot. Is a fighter pot. Oh, a fighter pot. Put syrup in it. Put syrup in it. Put syrup in
What
it.
else is in it?
Chicken and milk.
Chicken, milk, and syrup?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, that sounds delicious. Is it hot or is it cold?
It's cold.
It's cold?
It's hot. It's hot. Just on this sugar. I'm making some sugar for you.
Sugar too?
Yeah. Put sugar.
Arthur, you doing poopy? Yes, you did.
Look in it. Back to Mommy. Mommy. Here, little puppy. Go back to Mommy. I get little ant back to Mommy.
You brought the ant back to his mommy?
Yeah.
Oh, that was nice of you.
He was tired, Mommy.
Yeah, he probably got lost, right?
He probably get lost his dinner.
He got lost in his dinner?
Yeah.
Oh, so you took him, you let him go
He
back home?
didn't get it. He get his dinner.
He went to get his dinner?
He tried to get his dinner.
Oh, he's trying to get his dinner. Well, tell him he can't eat the food that you're making, can he?
He can eat my sugar.
He ate your sugar or he didn't eat your sugar? He didn't eat your sugar?
He ate my sugar.
He ate your sugar?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He tried to eat my salad.
The ant tried to eat your salad?
Yeah. He not tried to eat my salad. He tried to eat my salad.
And what happened?
I cried. The ant took me for the poop.
What?
For the poop party.
You're silly.
For the poop party.
There's a poop party?
There's a poop party. I made some syrup. I made some syrup, milk, and cookies.
How about vanilla?
Gorilla. Gorilla.
And what else? What do we put in the French toast?
Syrup.
Syrup. But what do we put in it, Arthur?
Syrup.
What do you go get Mommy out of the cabinet when we make French toast?
Syrup.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. And syrup.
And syrup, yes.
Turn on. It's off. I got mix